Dust bunnies beware. The Eureka PowerSpeed vacuum is coming for you. Pet-friendly, super suction and no-fuss cleaning. You know the deal, lugging around a clunky vacuum, fighting hair tangles, and emptying the bin every 5 minutes. Your pet sheds like it's their full-time job, and somehow, the crumbs from last week's snack are still haunting your floors. What if you had a vacuum that actually made cleaning easy, powerful, and stress-free? Meet the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum, your new cleaning sidekick that's lightweight, pet-ready, and built to tackle dirt like a boss. No more wrestling with weak suction or overpriced filters, this bad boy means business. This isn't just any vacuum, it's a multi-surface cleaning powerhouse. With 5 height adjustment settings, it transitions effortlessly from plush carpets to sleek hardwoods. The 2.6-liter extra-large dust cup means fewer pit stops to empty debris, so you can power through cleaning without interruptions. The washable filter saves you money, no expensive replacements needed. Plus, the pet turbo tool works overtime to obliterate stubborn fur from furniture and floors. If you're tired of a vacuum that gives up mid-clean, the PowerSpeed is your golden ticket to a hassle-free clean home. Forget vacuums that clog and lose suction after 2 uses. The PowerSpeed's enhanced anti-tangle technology means hair and debris don't stand a chance. At just 10 pounds, it's crazy lightweight, making it easy to carry up and down stairs without breaking a sweat. Unlike other vacuums that leave behind fine dust, the foam filtration system captures even the sneakiest allergens for fresher air. And don't even get us started on its portability. The included crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool make sure no dust bunny survives. Ditch the costly maintenance and weak suction of other vacuums. The bagless design and washable filter mean you'll never waste money on replacement bags again. The powerful 960-watt motor makes quick work of dirt, cutting your cleaning time in half. With onboard tool storage, everything stays within reach, no more hunting for attachments. Plus, unlike cordless vacuums that die mid-clean, this corded powerhouse delivers uninterrupted cleaning every single time. Eureka has been perfecting vacuums for over 100 years, and the PowerSpeed is the proof. It's powerful, durable, and designed to handle whatever mess life throws at you, whether it's pet hair, spilled cereal, or dust from another dimension. This isn't just a vacuum, it's an investment in a cleaner, easier life. If you're ready to say goodbye to dirt and hello to a sparkling home, grab the Eureka PowerSpeed now, because messes won't clean themselves.